Exercise 12.2, second question. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is given as 22 centimeter. Circumference is given as 22 centimeter. What do you have to find? The area of the quadrant of the circle. What do you mean by quadrant? It is 1/4. So 1/4 of the circle. So what about the angle made here? It is 90 degree. So draw a circle like this and divide it as 4 equal parts. 90 degree is the angle formed here. So central angle is 90 degree. So we have to find the area of this. You can do this in two ways. First way is 1/4 of the area of the circle. That means 1/4 of pi r square. Or you can use theta by 360 into pi r square. So here for that we need radius first. But radius is not given here. We have to find the radius from the circumference. What is the formula to find the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 22. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. Cancel up both these 22s and r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So the required area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 90 by 360 into pi r square, which is equal to 1/4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. The answer is 77 by 8 centimeter square. Next question. The third question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is the area covered by this minute hand in 5 minutes. Suppose if this is the area covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes, what we need is we have to find the area covered by this. That means this area of this sector. For finding that, what we need? We need the angle here. That means the central angle we need, or the angle between both the radii. For that, you have to use what is the angle made by this minute hand in 1 hour. 1 hour means it is, if it start from here, it will reach here itself. So what is the angle made by this? It is 360 degree. So angle made by the minute hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 degree. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 minutes it covers 360 degree. What about the angle made by it in 1 hour? Sorry, 1 minute. Angle made by this in 1 minute is equal to 360 divided by 60, that is equal to 6 degree. So what we need is angle made by this in 5 minutes. Angle made by this in 5 minutes is equal to 6 degree into 5, which is equal to 30 degree. So this is the angle here. The angle here is 30 degree. What do you have to find? The area covered by that sector. So theta by 360 into pi r square. So required area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? 30 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, which is equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. which is equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeters square. Next question, that's the fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the minor segment and the major segment. So, the chord of a circle, this is the chord of a circle AB, and it's 10 centimeter as a radius, and it makes 90 degree at the center. Find the area of the minor segment. What do you mean by segment? Minor segment is this. What about the major segment? Up to this. This is the major segment. So, you have to find the area of the minor segment and the major segment. For finding the area of the minor segment, what we have to consider is this sector AOB. You have already learned the formula. What's the formula? Area of the sector is equal to, area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of this triangle. Area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. That is what we are going to write. So, first we are finding the minor segment. So, area of the minor segment is equal to area of the sector AOB minus sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. That's the formula. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of the minor sector minus area of the triangle. So, first we have to find area of the minor sector. Area of the minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Everything is given here. It is 90 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 10. Here we have to use 3.14. It is given as 3.14, so we have to use 3.14 here. Fourth question, it is given 3.14. So, 3.14 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor sector. Then, area of the minor segment. Already written, area of the minor segment is equal to area of the minor sector minus triangle AOB. So, we need to find area of triangle AOB. For that, you have to draw a perpendicular OM to AB. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. If OM is the perpendicular, this is 90 degree. So, what we can do here is, using RHS congruence criterion, we can say triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM. That means this is 90 degree. So, both the hypotenuse is equal. So, consider triangle AOB, AOM. Triangle AOM and triangle BOM. Prove the congruence in this. So, AO is equal to BO is given. OM is equal to OM common. And angle AMO is equal to angle BMO is equal to 90 degree by construction. So, what we can say, triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM using RHS criterion. If these two are congruent, we can say These two angles are equal, which is equal to 45 degree each, because it is given that it is 90 degree. This implies angle AOM is equal to angle BOM is equal to 45 degree using CPCT. So what we got is, we got two triangles AMO, triangle AMO and triangle BMO, in which one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are acute angles. These two are acute and these two are acute. So we got two triangles in which one angle is 90 degree, other two angles are acute angles. So what we can apply? Trigonometric ratios. So what we can do here is, we have to find the area of the triangle ABO. For this we have to use half BH. We have to find other two sides. For that we are using trigonometric ratios. So what we can use here is, we have to find, we can consider one triangle AMO, consider triangle AMO, in which angle AMO is equal to 90 degree and other two angles are acute. So what we can use here is cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is OM by OA, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos 45 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So OM by 10. From this we can find 1 by root 2 is equal to OM by 10. So OM is equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2 is equal to OM by 10. So OM is equal to 10 by root 2. 10 divided by root 2, you have to multiply root 2 and root 2. So you are getting 5 root 2. So OM is 5 root 2. Then we have to find the next one also. What we need next? AM. For that we have to consider sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So based on this 45, opposite side is AM. AM by OA. So what is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2 is equal to AM by 10. So AM also is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. So we got both these as 5 root 2. What we need is half BH. That means area of triangle AOB is equal to half BH, which is equal to half into AB into OM. We got OM as 5 root 2. What about AB? For getting AB, the perpendicular from the center to the chord, bisect the chord. So AB is equal to 2 times AM, which is equal to 2 into 5 root 2, which is equal to 10 root 2. What is the reason? The perpendicular from center to the chord, bisect the chord. You have to write the reason here. Perpendicular from the center to the chord, bisect the chord. So from here we can find, therefore area of triangle AOB is equal to half into 10 root 2 into 5 root 2, which is equal to 50 centimeter square. So we got area of the sector and area of the triangle. So, area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of the sector. What's the value of area of the sector? 78.5. 78.5 minus 50, which is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor segment. What we need is, we need major segment also. Area of the major segment is equal to area of the major segment. How can you find the area of the major segment? How can you find? So, area of the major segment means you have to find up to this. How can you find? We have to remove the minor segment from the area of the circle. That means pi r square minus 28.5, which is equal to 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 28.5, which is equal to 314 minus 28.5. That is the answer which you can find. 314 minus major segment we need. 314 minus 28.5, which you can find. So, next is homework exercise 12.2, first question.